is mighty sweet. Liberty sows its seed at Farpoint Farms.
Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina. Tonight, it's another security camera. I am pleased that HeimVision is actually working with me on these. They're sending me these cameras to review. I'm happy to do so, and my property is happy too, because security is always important. And cameras like this definitely reduce crime, and when crime does happen, cameras like this help get the bad guys behind bars where they belong. So they have sent me this one. This is the Protect B2. Now, the last one I did for them was that one that kind of articulates, right? And it operates off of a cell phone. This one does as well. So once it gets plugged in, hooks to your Wi-Fi network, and then it, no matter where you are, you can get signals. So the other one, the B1, is, or D1 I think it is installed in my garage. The B2, I'm going to put it in the shed that I have that has a lot of expensive equipment in it, and so that'll keep an eye on things there. So let's go ahead and unbox this thing and check it out. So it is 12 zoom. Looks like it tracks motion. It is water resistant. It does have a two-way microphone ability. That's kind of cool. So somebody comes up, you get an alert on your phone, and you can actually hold a conversation with them right there. So that's really cool. So let's say I lived off the mountain. I lived in a subdivision or something like that. Put that on the front porch. UPS guy or mailman comes to the door. You're able to hold a conversation. Hey, would you put the package behind this bush or whatever? You know what I mean? That's really cool tech for sure. Let's see what else we got here. It does offer a memory card storage and 98 foot high R, so pretty impressive. And then of course you can download your app there. All right, so let's open this thing up and see what we got. All right, warranty card here, user's manual, nice, all in English, and 30 pages. Love how it walks you step by step through the cell phone stuff too, because I'm sure most of the people watching these videos are pretty savvy when it comes to technology. I am actually not. So I like the fact that it does have really good, clear instructions. Here's the main unit, and it's kind of beefy. Look at that. All right, 2 antennas, nice, good extended range Wi-Fi. This gets screwed to the post. You can see it does have floodlights and IR lights on there. Dual camera, so I guess it's for tracking. And then down here we have a wired ear Ethernet cord, your power, and I'm not sure what that one does. I have to read the manual on that one. Oh, a reset button maybe. Yeah, cool. All right, set that aside. Let's see what else we got here. Cool. Okay, so it does come with a little Ethernet cable. And here's our power supply. And then this is for waterproofing. If you want to, I couldn't figure what this was on the last one. That way, if I slide this through, I want to have my connection here, I can make that a waterproof connection. See? So that's cool that they include that. And then our mounting screws. Right on. All right, that's it. Give me a few minutes. I'm going to install this thing, and we'll check it out on the phone. All right, we've got this thing set up, and I'm telling you, it is so simple. You download the app, and I'm going to go into it right now, and this thing operates off of barcodes, and I'm going to try to get this as close to the screen as possible. Operates off of the, those little, not barcodes, those little squares, I don't know what they're called, but it literally turns the camera on, it talks to you, it says, hey, set up a new camera, in which case I did, and it just says you push this, it generates that code, you put it in front of the screen, syncs it to your cell phone. Let me keep that on while we're doing this. And there we go. So here's the garage, which I'm in right now. And now I did change my mind. I was going to do the other shed. I decided I wanted to keep an eye on the back of the property. So here it is. I don't have great reception in here, but yeah, there it goes. So check it out. So there it is. And I'll go ahead and let's make it big if I can. Yeah. So here it is live, and there's some features and functions. You can pan up and down with this thing and look around, which I think is pretty cool. You can zoom. I mean, it's just awesome. And this is a live feed. What you see up there is a brand new, we're doing a greenhouse up there. I built a deck with that this weekend. So pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. And it's live, and of course it's showing me the time over here. It might be a little hard for y'all to see that. Let me go ahead and get it back this way. Let's see if I can do that. There we go. And you can take a snapshot of something if you wanted to, right? And get into that. You can do a replay. I have to turn it on so I can do that. I'm not going to do that right yet. And then there's other things you can do. Cloud events, cloud stuff, and there's just different ways of going about, checking out the features and functions here. If I go into settings, you can see, and I hope all this is showing up, but details and notice, when do I have my alarms? When is it going to send me emails? Memory card management. So this one I did add a huge card to, and so it's kind of its own cloud. So I'll be able to review stuff for much longer than just doing it from cloud. Of course, you can get cloud storage, network information, all kinds of stuff that you can do with this. And so, yeah, I've got this one here, which is the one that pans and scans that they sent me not too long ago, and that's pretty awesome. And now I've got this second one here, and so. Yeah, there it is. So I'm hoping that I'll work with them again in the future. And before you know it, I'll have 8 or 9 of these hooked up. This is camera number 18 on the property. And so it's really cool to be able to keep an eye on things after dark in the house, because it does have flamethrower lights that come on to light up the night. And it's also cool if I have to leave the farm for a while to be able to log back in there and just take a look at things, make sure everything's all right. Anyway, I'm Eric, the owner of Farpoint Farms, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Take care.